This is the crash course for how to use the combined calendar for our tests and projects here in the middle school. In order to do that, I would recommend that you first manage which calendars you have turned on and off. You can do that over on the sidebar here. Right now I just have our middle school calendar turned on and the test and projects calendar. But if you turn on more things, you can of course start adding in all sorts of different things into your calendar, but that can get overwhelming pretty quickly. So one of the nice things about having this combined calendar is that you can turn it on and off and not have it cluttering up your calendar when you just need some space or see what's going on for other events. When it comes to adding an event, we're asking that you please add the event up here in the top bar so that it's an all-day event. If you add it as times, it can get a little bit confusing. So like if you were to assign it as 8 a.m., that could get confusing for the rest of us. So I'm going to give an example. This week I have a test in science class on the B block, so that's going to cover Thursday and Friday. If you click and drag across the top, that's going to create your calendar event. The naming convention is going to go grade level, so I teach only 8th graders. And the next is going to be the class. My class is science class. And then finally, the name of the test. I'm giving my Unit 1 test. Now, if you go into the drop-down and choose the middle school test and project combined calendar, it's going to assign it to that calendar. You can go in and add more options if you really want, and maybe you could be like, hey, the kids have a study guide or whatever, so if people are in study hall, they can give a little bit more direction to students. But that's pretty much the bare minimum. So now it's covering both of those days. And people can see when a unit test is coming up.